Oh yeah, so hey, it's day 2. Got an early start today, and here's what we're working on. We've taken the rear fenders off, the extended fenders off, got the stock fenders back on, got the front fender done on the passenger side, and then today is a matter of finishing this up and getting the stock fenders back on here. Then we can start with the install. Been running into a problem here. This is where the mirror mounts. It's right in this area right here, and I don't know how the dealership did it, but one of the issues that I'm having is being able to get them bolts back on, because the bolts are too short to clamp onto that. That clamp that goes there is over the plastic, and it should go directly on the piece of plastic that I took off on the seat there that goes with the upper doors. Here's that's where the mirror goes through, and then the clamps around the roll bar. Why they didn't trim that and get directly to the roll bar, I don't know, but they definitely don't give you enough bolt to be able to get things lined back up, put it back on. Again, I don't know how the dealership did it, so that's where we're at. Alright, so I thought I would go over something. These pieces here have to come off. Here's one, and here's the other one. And underneath this plate right here is that screw that you need to get to. It's got 2 clips on the bottom of it. It unclips and slides right out. Then you can get to that one and remove that screw right there. Hey, how's everybody doing today? April 15th, 2024. Big shout out to my other half. Happy anniversary. Yeah, 5 years ago we did that thing, and we've been at this now for 18 years, so yeah, we must, yeah, something's working. But anyway, this is a moment of truth. We're gonna fire up old Red here and see if we can't get it out that door over there.
Yeah, good luck.
Yeah. Like I said before in my post, she said it's gonna be tight.
Yeah.
So, gotta throw a little humor in it, you know? It just wouldn't be the same otherwise. So, alright, here we go.
good. Actually had a little bit more room on the sides than I thought it was going to.
Yeah, I had a little faith. Had more faith than she did. It wasn't as tight as she said it was gonna be either. So, I just want to do a little walk around here. Now that I got it outside and I can do that. Here's the new MUDBUSTER fenders. They're definitely different styled. Where the OEM used to come straight out from here this way, these are raised up, and the OEM used to go straight back. We'll see what kind of coverage it gives me. I got more coverage here. Might keep some of the stuff from coming in through the door here. Get a lot of mud up in here, so it might stop that, and I think it's going to stop some of the wind that comes in through there too. So there's going to be a couple pluses there. One of the big things about this is this area right here. Polaris designed this so that it would have venting going back into the engine area. And what I like about these MUDBUSTERs is, well, you can still see light. That's going to act as a deflector in there. It's going to stop. Well, first of all, it's going to deflect air back in towards the engine a little bit more. But the big thing is right here. It blocks it off, so this tire is not going to be throwing mud back up onto the door. And of course, that's important, because over here on this side is where the fuel fill up is, and that's always packed with mud right through there because it's thrown up. So we'll see how things go. The install on the fenders really wasn't that bad, at least in my opinion. The preparation was a lot worse because I had to take the Polaris extended fenders off and put the stock fenders on before I could even install these fenders. That project took me 2 days, well, about 10 hours or so of messing around in the shop. I had to do it twice because the first time I couldn't get things to go back together the way they were, so I had to take things apart. Had to pull the windshield out and then put all the plastic pieces. There's steps for all this. These pieces here, these pieces here. There, makes it a little better. This piece here sits up underneath the windshield. And in order to get it back into place and setting so you can get the mirrors back on, you have to pull the windshield out so you can put the plastic on first, then lay the windshield back into it. So that's what caused a lot of my problem. A quick shout out to Mud Love Off-Road. I use their cleaning products, and that's all the advertising they're getting, because I don't get nothing in return for that. But I will give them a shout out anyways, because their products are worth purchasing. They do a good job. I don't use them every time I wash, but I use them often. All right, so we're gonna wrap this up because we want to go out and check out the trails and see how these new fenders are gonna work. So later.